it's actually pretty heavy. I don't know if this is supposed to be a necklace. It does. It says it's a necklace on it. It's a Loot Crate exclusive through BioWorld. It's a necklace. I don't know if I would actually wear this as a necklace because I'm like, yeah, that would be so heavy. Hello, Jenny Yellow here for another video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. Now I'm going to be trying to do this in 5 minutes. I'm going to be calling this the 5-minute unboxing. Because why not? I can do an unboxing in 5 minutes. Let's see if we can. Woo! Today I'm going to be doing Loot Crate's Wizarding World box. Now the box is different. The design is different. Still neat. I can't wait. I'm going to see what's inside. Yay! And I'm going to let you get see what's in the box first. Alright. Now, these boxes come bi-monthly from Loot Crate. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below on where you can get this dandy little box right here. And it's you always want to put in which house you're in. I'm in Gryffindor, so this is going to be Gryffindor themed. Yay! So let's see what's inside. First, I'm going to do the shirt. And the shirt is a Loot Crate exclusive Gryffindor shirt. Yay! Cute. I always like their shirts. They're of high quality. In my opinion, I think they're high quality. And we have socks. We have 2 pairs of socks. These are nice socks. Wow. And these are licensed products through BioWorld. Let's see. We have the Hogwarts socks. The socks. I can never have too many socks. And your house themed socks, which I have Gryffindor again. Yay! Next, there's a patch. Gryffindor patch. And we're gonna do the pin. The pin is. They always have nice pins. Always. They have not let me down yet on a pin. Before they were doing all the Horcruxes, which I think the Horcrux ones are all over. I think I've got them all. And this is the lightning bolt. Oh, that's so cute. I don't know if you can see, but it has. Can you see? Glare. Crazy. It says on it, neither can live while the other survives. Oh, man. That's cute. Finally, which I saved the best for last. I did. I saved the best for last. I'm going to take it out of this thing first so there isn't a glare. It is a pocket watch. I don't know if you can see that. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous pocket watch. And I don't know if I can pop it open and show you guys. Can I? See, it has Gryffindor in there. This is actually very nice. I like pocket watches. And it's actually pretty heavy. I don't know if this is supposed to be a necklace. It does. It says it's a necklace on it. It's a Loot Crate exclusive through BioWorld. It's a necklace. I don't know if I would actually wear this as a necklace because I'm like, yeah, that would be so heavy. But nonetheless, this is extremely nice. I like it. I like it a lot. And then in the box we have the pamphlet. And inside it says, this Crate's magical. Oh, the theme for this one was Hogwarts House Pride 2018. Whether you're a brave Gryffindor, clever Ravenclaw, loyal Hufflepuff, or cunning Slytherin, represent your house with this Hogwarts House Pride crate. New for 2018, full of items for all occasions. All items created exclusively for this crate, except for the socks. So that was this month's Wizarding World box. Now, like I said before, if you would like to go get one of these, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below so you can go to Loot Crate's site and you can grab one of these. This one's already done. Now, like I said, they're bi-monthly. I am excited once again to get these. They were they've had a couple of duds, I think, in the past, but they're getting better again, and I'm super excited. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a thumbs up and a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more quality content like this one right here, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe. I would love it if you did. And I'm going to go ahead and go now. I'm going to leave you here with this. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.